In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to download your tax return on TurboTax. By the end, you'll have a clean PDF of your return saved and ready for your records, loan applications, or anything else you might need. Before we start, make sure you're signed in to your TurboTax account and that you've opened the correct tax year. If you're working across multiple years, double check the year shown at the top of your screen. You can follow these steps whether your return is in progress or already filed and accepted. First, look to the left-hand navigation and click Tax Tools. On some screens, you may need to expand the menu to see it. Tax Tools is where TurboTax groups the shortcuts that aren't part of the regular question and answer flow. So it's a quick way to reach the download options without scrolling through your entire return. Next, select Tools. This opens a small window or panel with several advanced options. Don't worry, you're not changing your data here. This is just a gateway to the views and settings that help you manage your return. From that panel, choose View Tax Summary. TurboTax will switch to a condensed summary mode. This view gives you a high-level snapshot of your federal and, if applicable, state returns. And it also unlocks the printing and saving controls we need. Now, click Print Center. Think of Print Center as the hub for exporting your return. This is where you decide exactly what to include. Everything from the main forms to the detailed worksheets. Inside Print Center, click Print, save, or preview this year's return. You'll see options to include your federal return, your state return, or both. If you want the most complete record for your files or for a tax professional, choose to include all worksheets. If you only need the final forms, select Forms Only. When the preview opens, use the on-screen download option or your browser's print command and choose Save as PDF. Pick a clear file name like Tax Return 2025, Federal and State, and save it to a secure location you'll remember, such as an encrypted drive or a dedicated tax folder. After saving, open the file once to confirm everything looks right and that all pages are included. If you need to get back to the regular Q&A, simply exit the summary or use the backlink to return to your return. And that's it. You click Tax Tools, then Tools, went to View Tax Summary, open Print Center, and used Print, Save, or Preview to download your tax return. Keep your PDF backed up and you'll be set whenever you need it.